Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm Wadia from Morocco, a young engineer in solar energy, and today I'm here to share with you all what you need to know as a professional in this industry. I'm sure that this course will help you get a better understanding to the solar system and the steps to follow creating your own installation. And before starting, I want to thank you for enrolling in this course and for your interest in renewable energies. Oh yeah, and also I just want to say that solar energy and renewable energies in general are one of the very important topics to learn about in our days. And as I see, that's what you're doing right now by selecting this course. So what we're going to talk about here isn't really the theories and physics of electricity, but we will see the methods and the things that we have to keep in mind before getting into a solar career. Either you're a junior engineer, student, or simply you want to install your own system. The course explains the principle of work of solar energy systems that are isolated from the grid and their applications. And this recording provides a simple PowerPoint presentation that will help you follow the sections of the course. Therefore, I advise everyone to watch the sections to the end, and your thoughts and questions are very welcomed. Thank you.